Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to improve microphone quality on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Recording Audio. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, right-click select Show Disabled Devices and also select Show Disconnected Devices. Select your microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Listen tab, uncheck Listen to this device, select Default Playback Device. Click Levels tab, change microphone boost to check quality of microphone. Click Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Microphone, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand audio inputs and outputs, right-click Microphone, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Click Actions, click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.